fighting with this damn thing, bro. Nah, the whole. I'm not even done with the project, bro. The whole thing is not available on Patreon yet. I'm not done. Y'all don't understand how long I've been fighting with this thing to make it work. It's been 2 days. 2 days since I've been trying to get this thing to get to this level right here where I can just do this. 2 freaking days, bro. And I'm not even sure yeah, it's working. I don't understand the frustration, man. Matter of fact, let's see if I still got more frustration to go. Because, as we all know, it might work on the server, but when it comes to the client, it wanna act up. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, it's not a joke. Let's see. Moment of the truth right now. See if I'm gonna be happy or not. Please, God, make it work. I know it. I fucking know it. Okay, so that's a replication problem. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. That's a replication problem. Okay, let's see. Where are we? It's not too bad. Could this be a client thing? Could it be a client thing? Because the other day, earlier today, I got it to work, right? But the only problem I was having, it wasn't updating the name and stuff, and that was pissing me off. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna redo it. I know, right? Ooh, let's go. Come on, don't do me like that, man. Aha, there you go. It was a replication problem. Yes, sir. Just as expected. So this needs to be client. But now, so do I need this? No, I don't need that. So refresh this. And go down here. Wait a minute. I don't need this. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, I don't need this. Man, when I tell you, bro, you don't understand. Like, I woke up early this morning trying to get this done. It wasn't working. I left it alone, went and do something else, come back, still the same. But finally, now I'm getting somewhere. Okay, so let's promote this to a variable and call this temp new price, and let's make sure tick is empty. If it's not empty, let's set new price, and let's do toString, and then toInteger, and then this is gonna be the new price. So if I hit print string, let's see if it's gonna work. Say if I go here, man, when I tell you, bro, y'all don't know how happy I am right now. I get to this part, like, I am so freaking happy right now. Oh shit. Ah, don't start now. You was doing good. Haha. Okay, good. Good, 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 good. Y'all don't understand, man. Y'all don't understand. Okay, let's make sure. Cause I'm telling you, man, I had it. I was so far ahead, but that one freaking text was what was pissing me off. Okay, Pepsi. Now if I go here and do $600, yeah, haha, there you go. Now if I do $900, there you go. Ooh, finally, Jesus Christ. I still got more to go. Update price. Alright. So now we need to, you know what? One more thing I need to do. So one is publish. Nah, I'm not gonna add it here. I'm gonna add it only when I click the publish button, because what I'm trying to do, you know what? Let me add comments. Say update product price. And I need to create two of them. Server, publish. I don't know, whatever it's one. I want to call it publish product. And this gotta be a multicast because we need it to be MC so everybody can see it. This has to be. So now how do I do this? How do I do this? So I need to do the same thing I did here. I need to grab this, grab that. And pass the index. And then we need to get in-store items. We need to add, and we add in this one. Okay, so now moment of the truth. Let's see if what I did come on, please work, please, because I don't have time to be out here getting mad. Current index. Finger crossed, y'all. Fingers crossed. Let's, because I'm ready to move on to something else. Okay, I know this worked. Okay, let's go see. Come on now, don't do me. Shit. Okay, it worked kind of, but it's not. It did add it to the front end. So let's go. If I go here and then I said, let's publish the Pepsi. Now Pepsi is here, but the price It's not updating. Now I need to go see what the heck is going on. Why is the price is not showing up? Ah shit. Hold on. Ah, go over there. Whatever. Now let me see if the client come over this way. Would he see both product? Yes. Okay, so why in the Jesus name is the thing is not showing up? So if I go to customer, oh no, I need to go to buttons and I need to go to customer buy button. Did I do anything to this? Hmm. I'm 100% sure the problem with this is it is not being updating right. When I publish the thing, what I need to do, when I publish something, I need to do the same thing I did for that. So I need to go here, and this is build inventory. This is get front end. I don't know if I'm using the same thing for the front end. Let me see. But that would have been nice if I'm using the same thing. That would be nice. And I'm 100% sure I'm not. Yeah, I'm not. Fridge. Okay. Oh no, I gotta go to customer. Here, I need to do it. Also, I need to do the same thing here. So let's move this back. This customer button ref. Okay, let's delete this. Let's hit customer button ref. Let's turn it to an array and add it. Right. Add that to it, and then do this. Do this. And then I can delete this. See, I was debugging stuff, man. I'm telling you, I was going crazy. I was in here pulling my hair out. Okay, so when I publish, I need to get customer kiosk as well. Get, what did I call it? Customer button icon ref. It's not gonna work because it's not gonna be open. So what I need to do is, instead when I'm building the front end, instead of adding to a new one, I can just use the same thing. That way I don't have to do this. Let me see. Let me think. This. Let me think. So that's publish, right? Okay. Let me see. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. Should have 1. Should say. should say 2. Now why the hell then the, oh, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's getting the proper, like the proper amount, right? Should I also say set array element at this thing and then pass the index? I don't think that's gonna work. If this worked, I am a genius. But not that anything, it ain't gonna work. Not 10 out of 10. Nope, I know it. Okay, let me think. I need access to, okay, in here I also need access to, what's this? I need access to, let me do this. Instead of doing all this, I can do that. Get inventory, right? But only shows the one that have the is published flag on. Because right now if I do this, right? Right now if I put, so if I go here, nothing. But if I go here and then do 1, 2, 3, 4, I should have 4. I should have 4. Right. So now I'm only going to show the one with the flag that says publish. So if, now let's get is published. If this is true, then we add it here. But what I can do as well, I can just do refresh front and customer inventory, like that. And I am in the customer, right? That still may not work because okay, let me try this. Because even if I go like this, right? Got this Dorito. So right now it says 0, 0, 0. This should also say 0. So if I go update the price to 300, update, publish, right? Wait, why is it not working now? What the? Come on, don't do me like that now. This is what I hate about Unreal, man. I'm telling you. you have something working perfectly fine, just turn around and it start working. Update. Okay, so it's working. That F was the problem. If I go to customer, was it because of this? Get inventory. Was it because of you? Update. No. Publish. Okay. So I go in the front. Let's see what the. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's go. Customer buy icon, item info, new price. This should always also return the new price because customer. Okay, can I instead of nah, because I'm creating an item info. Let's see. Check. Because the reason why this happened is because this is being called once, right? So when I update this thing, or when I publish it, customer kiosk. Yeah, this won't work because it's not gonna be valid. What I'm trying to do, this is gonna say not valid because it's not. When I publish the thing, the customer is not open. The customer UI is not open. Yeah, I know it. This is not valid. So I need a way to update. Well, I don't need this then, since I'm getting it from. Wait a minute. Yeah, technically I don't need this. Alright. Since I'm taking it from the one that's in the inventory, in my inventory. So if I, yeah, okay. So if I do this, I should have one, yeah. And then if I go and get some more, I should have some more. Oh, no. Right. So I mean, this is returning the right price. This should be returning the right price. Should return the right price. Each time I update it. Let me do this. Pen. That's the price and that's the name. It should return the right price for everything. Excuse me. Okay, inventory. Let's do Doritos, Lay's, Pepsi, right? So if I do 500 update, and publish. Ah, I get 0 for the price. Update, publish. Yeah, I'm getting the right items, but the price is wrong. Why is that? The item is right, but the price is wrong. Hmm. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I need to go down here. Current. No, 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 no. That's not it. New product price. Should I also inventory recreating this? Yeah, right. No price. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, the product the oh, I know why it's wrong, because here the product is still 0. The new price is still 0 here, right? Until it gets to over here. That's when the new price. Yeah, it's being set, but here's the problem. So here the new price is still 0 until we get to here. That's when the new price is updated. Like if I do print string, you will see that's where the new price get updated. Let me add a delay so we can see. Oh, like 3 seconds. You will see it will say 0 the first time, but after that it will say the right amount. So if I go, and this is why I told y'all print string is your best friend, man. So if I update the Dorito, right? Let's say I do 500. It will say 0 at first, 3 seconds. It says 500. You know what I mean? So here is still 0, but when after it gets to past it, okay. So what I need to do is here I need to get a reference. It still won't work because you know what? You know what? I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm going to do. I know what I'm going to do. So I need to do the same thing. So let's get this. Okay, let me just do it. Let's get business. Right. Let's get. So yeah, we need to get a copy. Get inventory. We need to get the copy of it of this index. You need to get a copy of it of this index, and then from here, that's where it's going to have the right data. Should have the right data. Right? Let's do a delay. Delay. 3 seconds. It should have the right data here. So technically what we're doing is we're updating the front end with the current data. Let's put 2. If I get delays, I do 500, update, publish, 3 seconds. Ooh, okay. So this whole thing won't work. So we need to update it like here, but oh, you know what? And publish. Let me see this. Let me pass the new price. Right? Pass the new price. And let me do this. Let's do set members inside of this because I'm only updating the price. And let's do that. Okay, so over here I can just pass the new price here. Hopefully it works. Hopefully. Update, publish. Ah, I messed up. Okay, should work. Yeah, fingers crossed. Nope. Ha! Lord Jesus. Okay. Let me think. Hmm. But my thing is, publish. Well, this is why it was working when we did it with the added to the new one in the front. But the problem is, let's see. Let me try that one more time and see. Let's get install item. And then we adding it to the install item, right? Should I? Okay. Let me do this. Where can I put it? Where should I put it? Update item info. Like that, right? And do I need to bind it or call it? Okay, call it. Update item info. And then here. Bind to update item info. And let's say item update. Let's do update item info. That still won't work because I just need to refresh. I just need to refresh this to, but I don't have access to this. Oh wait, I think I may have a way. Update publish. I think I may have a way. Okay, let me try. Yeah, whatever. I know, cause this is not valid. That's why. So what I'm going to do, let me remove this, delete this, This is customer, right? When we create the customer, I need to find a way. The problem is I just need access to the user widget, like the customer widget. But if the customer widget is not open, it's not valid, right? So it needs to stay open like this in order for it to be valid. So let me think of a way. Because this is going every tick, which is not, I mean, not great, but it's not bad. So create check inventory. So this is what's building the customer inventory, right? So I need a way to call this function again, right? But I need to call it inside of here. Once I update, publish it, I need to update whatever's inside of it. So let me think. Let me think. Yeah, but this is not working. I can just delete this. So this is update price. Let's see. Let me pass. Am I creating the thing? Nah, it's not. This is product. All right. I'm telling you, it was working earlier today, but the problem is the thing wasn't updating, and I forgot how I did it after I deleted the damn thing. Publish, right? So when I hit publish, it's taking, but yeah, it's should get the right thing here though. Can you use function library for communication with the widget, or just well, function like I said, it needs to the customer widget needs to be valid. You know what I'm saying? Like the code is working. It just updated it from when the customer comes in. You know what I mean? When they come in here like this is the part that needs to get because when I do this, right? Publish it. That should have worked though. You know what I mean? Because when I publish something, it's brand new, so it should have gotten the correct price or something. That should have worked because I'm just adding it to a brand new thing. So why is it not working? Let me go see something. Because this should have worked. Right here. Should have worked. Because the name is working, right? So if I do print string for publish, it should return false when I open it. So if I go here and I do whatever and do publish, right? So when I go here, I should get return false, right? So because it's getting it for whatever that's in here, right? So let me see. If I do new price, print string. Or is it a time thing? That could be it. It could be a time thing. Nah, it can't be. Doritos. Let's do 500 update. Let's give it a little couple of seconds and do publish. And I'm gonna check one more thing. Yeah, it's not doing it. I'm gonna check one more thing. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Did it print something? Ah, nice. This at 0. Okay. Let me try this. I don't need that. Let me try this. That's the publish, right? Kind of index. Let me see this. Do up. Current. Is it still returning the 500? Yeah. So update. So publish right here. What do I need to do? Do I get what do I have access to in here? So it's setting the text. I got the inventory, setting the text. But like I said, this is the okay. Hold on. I think I may that probably won't work either, because it won't work because I haven't added to the thing. Because right now, if I do this, right, let me show you. If I call, soon as I update the price and I call server publish, the same index, hopefully that should do it, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Hopefully. So if I get this and I update, as soon as I hit update, it should add it to the front, but it's still not freaking updating the damn text. Or did I bind the text to it? Or am I tweaking? No, I didn't even do that. I'm stupid. I am stupid. So set text to no price. So that should hopefully work. If I get delays, I do 500 update. Now when I open it, fingers crossed, $0. Ah, come on. Okay, what do I get? What do I get here? Because that was the issue I was having earlier. It was updating somewhere but not doing it somewhere else. Okay. earlier it wasn't working here, but it was working in the front. So now it's not working in the front, but it's working here. So it's just like, come on, like that. Still getting 0. Well, how is it printing the name though, but it's not getting the price? I don't get that. It's getting the, yeah, it's getting the name, but it's not returning the damn price. Then again, the price only work after the price only updated. The current price only gets updated once I enter this, right? Because if I do new price, right, and I put 600, oh yeah, this should work because regardless, it's coming at 600. So if I do this, edit, publish, even if I update this to whatever, it should come in at 60. It's coming at 600, and hopefully here. Oh, I didn't do that. I didn't freaking do it. Right, if I hit update, 600. Here it should say to blood clot. I didn't publish the damn thing. Publish. Now I should get. Ah, come on! Damn it. Okay, what is going on, man? Let me leave this alone. Right. Why am I not getting the proper thing? Okay. It should say 250. Okay, whatever the price, whatever the old price was, he's getting the old price. But why is it the new price is a pain in the butt? Why? Why? I need to find a way to communicate with. Soon as the front end open, I need to find a way to get the correct data. Cause let's specify. So that's updating the price. And then when I publish, let me try this. And see what is this returning. And I also need to check this too. This is why I want it to work, because it's gonna do this. This is why I want to. I want it. It has to go from this to this. Cause if I just, that's index, right? Should I also pass the new price? Let me see. If I do set members, oh no. Get a copy of the same index and do set members of that, and then let's get new price. For now, let's pass 900 and let me see if that works. Nope, nothing. This is gonna drive me nuts. Or is it that? Let me see. So it's getting the right amount. So I mean, the things are in there. Right, the things are in there. I can just do for each loop. Let's do it for each loop. For each loop. Okay. This is where I'm updating. Publish. Okay. Let me do this. Publish items. Right. For every single one of them. Set publish item to this, and then here let's get publish item, items or whatever. Let's do it print string. Let's do new price and print it. I think I'm running out of ideas, man. I might have to give it a break and come back. Still not working. And this is one of the reasons why sometimes I just want to quit this series, man, and just call it a day. Just leave it where it's at and then just say, nope, I'm done. Because it is more trouble than I don't even need this. Event. I need to listen for an event. when I open this, right? Let me do this. Update UI. I call this here because I need to call something when I open this thing. So as soon as I open this, I need to get. So now I need access to. See, now I also need access to freaking let's say bind to update. Yeah. I also need access to the player UI. Hmm. Or you know what I can do? This is what I'm gonna do, and I think that's the safest way. That's the safest way. Okay. So what I can do, instead of creating a separate freaking widget for the client, I'm just gonna create one widget that's in the damn thing with the server, so that way I can still control everything in one spot. So I'm gonna have to do that instead. So here I'm gonna create the client uh, whatever thing here instead. I should have done it like this. Create client inventory or customer inventory, I should call it. That's what I should have done in the first place. So I can go here, just grab all of this, and then come here, paste this here. Now what I need to do, I need to change this. I need to get one, call this C row. C column. C column size. Yeah, whatever. 5. And then let's do that. Nope. C column. And we just need to update all of this. C row. C column. C column size. And then C column right here. C column right here. And then C row right here. And then in here, let's just add another. Let's go to the front end of this, copy this whole thing, and then go back this way, and then paste it here, make it full screen, and call this one customer window, make it a variable. By default, I need to have access to left panel, inventory. Okay. What are you tripping about? Oh, this. Do I even need this? Okay. I need the customer inventory. And I also need, let me rename it so you don't get confused. Customer. Customer inventory. Okay. So now I need to call create customer inventory by default, even though I'm gonna hide it. By default, it should be not visible, should be collapsed. And then inside of here, I think this, yep. Door, customer, let's just, okay, here, try checking to see can interact with customer kiosk, like that. And if I go, where is it? Interact. Okay, customer kiosk. And then if it's a clothing store, instead of doing all this, create a new one, I can just get now where the hell did I create business ref? No. Get business. Now where did I create the doggo business widget? What did I call it? No, that's the buy UI. Nope. I need to find where I create the one for the, that's customer, that's the buy, door, and that's owner kiosk. Okay, correct, should be over here, owner kiosk. What did I call this? Owner kiosk widget, and that's inside of big. Okay, so BP, I need to get owner kiosk widget, and then I need to do still gonna have a problem, damn it, because if this is not open, I'm still gonna have the same issue, damn it. Still gonna give me the same problem because if it's not open from the you know what, this is what I can do. I can do get business, right? Character ref. I can I can do if business is open. Print string. Let's see. Open. Let me see if what I'm doing, what I'm trying to do is gonna work. So if it's not working. Well, why? But it is open. Because if you look, the sign is off, right? What if I open the store? The sign is on. So technically, it is open. Why is it saying not open? Oh, I know why. Stupid. We didn't do that. We get is business open. Now it's gonna say not open. But if I open it, should say open. Okay. So if it's open, it's still not gonna work. Damn it. Still not gonna work. Because this is not gonna be valid yet. Oh no. Key asset. This is right here. It's not gonna be valid. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It might. Open. Wait a minute. Haha. Okay. Okay. Maybe we in business after all. It's called customer window. Ah, come on, stop it. Unlock. Okay, maybe we might be in business. Let's get that. And let's do set visibility to visible. Let's see. So if yeah, I might be I'm happy right now, but you know, freaking replication is gonna be a pain. Yeah, there you go. Why is it opening over this way? Or am I using the wrong thing? Can't enter a customer kiosk if it's true. Customer window. Of course, it's opening in the wrong thing because it's opening with. Oh my god. This thing started to get on my nerve. This is what I go through behind the scene, y'all. Let's see. Yeah, it's not working here, but if I do that, and it's still not showing the damn price. Freak. Okay, let's go back. I gotta figure out a way to do this. I gotta figure out a new way to do this. There you go, crashing. Ha! I knew it. I knew it. Two hours in, still not working the way I want it to. And why are you taking forever to open? Come on. Yeah, I won't even be able to go back any further than that. Okay. Back to the normal. I gotta figure this thing out for real, for real. So let's just double check everything's still working. Okay, it still works. Okay. Okay. So it's still there. So now the problem is it's the doggo thing. The price here that's not being updated. Alright, man. Appreciate you for stopping by. Okay. So I can close this. I need a way to boy, every time I add it. Let me see. So after, you know what I can do? You know what I can't do? Instead of doing this here, right? Let me think. I'm telling you, man. So let me see. Instead of doing it here, right? Trying to think. So what did I do? It was like this. Huh? It was like this, right? So I added to the store like this. So how about if I do this? Right? Where I publish it here. How about I do this? But I'm not passing the item info data over here. Wait, no. So I need this right here, right? So the custom ID. So let's do this. Let's do update items, right? And then since I have access to the owner's thing here, let's call update items like that. And then in here, let me see if I can call this here when I'm publishing something. Okay, so if I pass item info like that and call this item info, and then here trying to think, man, this thing is killing me. No. What I need to do, I need to go here, go back to, let's exit out of this. Let's turn this into an array, right? And then refresh. What the? And then I can do update items, and then instead of adding it down here, let me pass this here. And also need another one. Let's do current item, pass this here, and then in here let's do add, we add the current item to that. Please, Lord Jesus, make this work. It still won't work because of this, of the price. That's the issue we're having. But well, let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. You never know. and it didn't even add it. What the hell? Did I hit publish? Ah, could have sworn I did. Nope, it didn't add it. So add update down here. Cause right, like I said, that I think this is adding it to. It's adding it to the thing with before it update the price. Cause if you see this, the price should be printing device. Yep. Hmm. Or what I can do, here I can do, but that still would give me the same issue again. Still going to give me the same issue. Let's get and store. So technically it should be in the front, but it still got 0 price because the price is not updating at the time. It's getting on my nerves. I'm gonna leave it alone. Cause that's the new price. So if I don't, okay, let me see. Let me try this. What if I do this? Now that still will give you the. What if I do this? trying to see. What if I do? Now, what is this? Now, I see. No, it didn't work. Get business. Ah, this is started to piss me off. Get inventory for each loop. I spent the price. And let's leave them up there for 5 seconds. So now if I go and do this, update, and I got 0, even though it's showing up here. Why is that? Yeah, that will still give me a 0 because this thing is really starting to piss me off. So if I do this, one, two, three, 4, still giving me 0. Why? Okay, so it's this guy in here. So let me do set members, new price, put new price here. And let's print the new price from this and see. See if that's the jerry rig ways to do it. Okay. Publish. Okay, so we getting somewhere. So what I can do, instead of do the inventory, let's do get install item instead at that particular index. Set the member, and then from this as well, let's say server publish, and current index. Let's see if this works. Publish. Nope. Not a damn thing. Hit inventory. And then add. Ha 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 ha. Final mother effing leash. Now let's see if it's gonna work for the freaking client. Cause you know, server might do a beautiful thing, but client be like, nah, I don't think so. Client might be like, nah, not today. Okay. So, fingers crossed. Haha. Yes, sir. Let's freaking go. Ah, I knew it. I knew it. Okay, I need to create a. Let's see how I did this. So that's a replication problem now. We're getting somewhere. So all we need basically is to pass the new price in the index. Alright? So if I go, we get the business, we get copy of the inventory, and then we need to set the members inside of the, okay, I see I'm gonna do it. So inventory, whatever. Okay, so for the publish. Alright, so we get inventory, set members. Before we do all of this, set members, alright, like that. And then new price, let's pass it as a input. And then we add it, and then this goes here. So it's like this. Alright, and then we can delete this. We can get it from there. You can say server update or publish. We get the current index in both of these, like that. No price. Moment of the truth. Let's see if it's gonna kick my bum. Data, Doritos. Yeah, it's still kicking my butt, man, you know? I'm gonna get it done though. Yeah, let's see. Now, okay. So now we got that. Doritos, get here. Update the price. Update. Right? So if let me give it a couple of seconds. If I hit publish. So now it's 500. Now if I go around, would it say 500? Yes. And would I see it on the client? I mean server? Hey, go away. Yes sir! Let's go! Oh, let's go! Let's freaking go! Man, that was a pain, bro. Uh, uh, here come the fuckery. But that's nothing. I can fix this easily. Here come the fuckery. Let's see if I do it with multiple items. Are they gonna update accordingly? There's Dorito, Lade, Pepsi, Sprite. Okay. Let's get this. Let's do 300 for the first one. Publish. Okay, so that's cool. That's cool. Let's go see. 300, yeah. Let's go back here. Here go another problem. So this is not really a problem. This is because this is for like we need to do the saving. for the saving system. That's what this is. Because even here, see, it's still saying 300. Yeah, it just you just need to update this thing. 400, update, publish. I need to figure it out. But see, it says 400. But the name is not being updated. That I can also fix this easily too. So 500. And 500, yeah, okay. You know what? Let me also do publish. Let's also update. I need to update everything else. God dog it. I think I could have just done set array element and call it a day. But let's break this. Plug everything up. So that way we can still get the same freaking data. Yeah, that's not a good idea. That's definitely not a good idea. But making progress slowly but surely. Yeah, that's definitely not a good idea to do it like that. But for now, we're just gonna jerry rig that, you know, so that way it worked the way I want it to work for now. Update and then publish. Now if I go in the front, I should see everything. Yikes, no name still. That is because the name, it's being I need to do the name the same way I did for the price. Right, so if I go to the front widget, customer button, how am I doing the price? Well, why? You see what I mean? I fixed one problem, another one fucked up. Like, what is up with the name? It was perfectly fine. Like, why is it messed up now? Like, what the hell? Like, why is it? Why? I'm telling you, Unreal just. I think that's why they call it that name. Because that shit is unreal. Update. Publish. Where's the name? Where is the freaking name? Update. Oh, it says 900. If it updates to 900, I mean it's working fine. It's just see it didn't. Do I need to? So now it's not keeping track of it when it's updating. I'll figure it out. Right now, I'm gonna go lay down because it just started to get on my nerve. Save our update. Leave it to a few minutes, seconds, and publish. Oh, see, it's updating perfectly fine on the server, right? Let me see if the client come over this week and the client see it. Yep, it's working perfectly fine on the client on the server. Like if the server updated, everything update perfectly fine. So that means it's a replication issue. Replication. So the server updated again. But it won't update the second time. Yeah, it was still stuck to that. So I need to find a way to dynamically do that. Because now if I publish it again, it's going to publish with a brand new version. Alright? It's going to put a brand new one in there. See? I keep the old one. So what I need to do, before I can re-update it again, I need to add a button. Wait, let me see something. What is this doing? This is doing MC. Should this be client? This might have to be client. Yep, this might have to be el cliento. Let's see, go like this. Let's do 9,000. Update. Publish. And let's get him. What the? Nope. Can't be client. It has to be multicast. So something is not adding up. So if I do 9,000 best update and then publish. Yep, it has something to do with it's something with the client. That's why it's doing that. See, it's a replication thing. Why do I keep doing this? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna leave this right here. I'll come back to it later because this is getting on my nerves.